It is absolutely beautiful out here. Wow. So as I say, the tide is still pulling in and will be for another hour or so. Good morning, inflatable fans. I'm down here in sunny Filey, going for a paddle on the sea, and I'm trying out this Shorty Wetsuit by Mountain Warehouse. Guess I'll look a bit of a bugger in this, don't I? But we'll see how this gets on. Let you know in a bit. Feels quite nice, quite comfortable. I think I got the medium, and so it is pretty tight. Good fit. Doesn't feel like it's going to chafe or rub. It's got one of those pull-up things from the rear. See how we get on. I think I need to put a bigger sock in. We won't talk about that. Right, let's go. Well, I'm in. Look at that. Hey, so calm. See what this wetsuit feels like in the water, eh? Water surprisingly not that cold, but it is cold when you go under. So yeah, this little Shorty wetsuit, I give myself a bit of a dunking with it. Been out paddling for a good hour. No chafing, feels really comfortable. Warm enough on the water. I like this, I'll definitely be using it again, see how I get on. You know what to do if you like these type of videos. Give them a thumbs up, and if you don't like them, give them a thumbs down. And if you like what I'm doing on the channel, smash the bell and subscribe, and then you don't miss out when I do any more. That's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.